Hi there, I'm Lauren, the founder of Lee's Grain-Free, a grain-free baking mix kit company. What's a mix kit, you ask? A mix kit is a package that contains both dry and wet ingredients, providing everything you need to bake a delicious treat. All you need to add is water. At Lee's Grain-Free, we are passionate about increasing the convenience and accessibility to high-quality, nutritious baked goods and cultivating a baking experience that showcases your individual creativity. That's why we created our grain-free baking mix kits. Each of our mix kits are jam-packed with omega-3s, fiber, and protein and contain all of the hard-to-find ingredients into one convenient package, including fun toppings that allow you to flex your creative muscle. I'm so excited to share these products with you all, but I need your help. I'm currently raising funding for professional branding support as well as packaging design and printing, which will help me bring these products home to your pantry. I can't wait for you to try. Happy baking!